How to set up a Shopify store. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to set up your own Shopify store, how to create your own store to sell your products. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you can go to shopify.com and you can create your own account. Now, signing up for Shopify is actually really easy. You can sign up with your Google account. You can also buy a plan or get a free trial. Once you do that, you will get right here. Now, everybody signs up for Shopify and they get right here. Then they have no idea how to set up a store and how to actually get started with the business, how to sell products, how to get orders. For that, we have to complete 5 steps to get started with our Shopify store. So, the first step is going to be adding your first product once you create your store. I'm going to take you to the product section right here and show you how to add a product. This is not my first store or a new store. That is why I already have some products. But what you guys need to do is you will just click on add products and you will be able to add a new product, your first product, to your Shopify store. So you can see this is where we will be adding. Give your product a name. You can actually create a store in any of the niche you want to, and you can sell any type of product on Shopify. Shopify is world's famous e-commerce platform with a lot of different features and tools. So we're gonna add a title here. Let's actually go with maybe a pink dress. Then you're gonna add a description. For now, I'm just gonna write the word description. Moving on, we have media. In media, we need to upload an image. So I'm going to click on add files and select an image from my computer. Let's actually go with red shirt here and we have this image. You can add more than one image here. Then we have to enter the pricing. So you will enter the price for your product here. What I'm going to do is, it also depends on your currency. I'll actually show you how to set up some of these settings here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna enter in your currency. I will quickly add it in my currency right here. Then we have compare at price. We have cost per item that you can add. Then we have inventory, where you can do some shipping settings. I will also show you this in the settings in a minute. Then we have quantity that we can add to a product. Then we have shipping again. We have options. So this is where we add the variants of a product on Shopify. So you're gonna click right here and add the variants. You can add sizes and colors to a product and create more than one variants. Then we have some of the options of a product organization where we can add the tags and our online store. Once you're done, you're going to click on save and your product will be added. This is the product that we just created. So now the next step is going to be customizing your theme. So we have an online store here, which is going to be our storefront. Here you will be able to find your themes. We have blog post, pages, navigation, and preferences. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on customize and it'll take you to your Shopify store. And this is where you will actually customize your store. Keep in mind why I am going through these steps very quickly. It's because I'm actually showing you how to set up your store. I want to cover all of these different steps. When it comes to customizing, you will open it up and you can add your header. You can edit the images. You can add text to your store. You can add different buttons to your store. You can add your featured products. You can see this is kind of like a test store that I have, and I have all of these different products here. We have collages, we have multi-columns, we have videos that we can add to our store, everything. You can also select a theme first by just going to the theme section here and selecting a theme for your Shopify store. There are free themes available as well, and there are paid themes too. So this is the theme library and you can select any of the themes from here. You can see very professional themes are available on Shopify. Then the next step is going to be add pages to your store and organize your store's navigation. So this is all under the online store section here. You can see we have pages. And you're going to create pages on your store. You can create, of course, you will be creating more than one page. You can add your, storefront, like your first page. Then you can add a product page, about us page, featured collection page. So you can create pages from here, just going to the pages and click on add page. Then we have navigation. In navigation, you will set up your menu, that what are the different pages that will be shown in your store that you are creating. So you can hover over to navigation right here, and then we also have preferences. So these are some of these setups that you need to do in order to actually set up your store that you have, like the website that you are going to be having. You need to add products, customize the theme, add pages, do some organizing in the navigation, and then add a domain. Once you get a domain on Shopify, then you're good to go. You have your own store. You can start selling your products. In order to get a new domain, you can just click right here on buy a new domain, and Shopify will allow you to buy a domain. Or if you already have an existing domain, you were already selling products on any other platform, you can just go ahead and connect your existing domain. Then we have domains right here. Now this is a domain that we get with Shopify. It's called myshopify.com. So this is like a domain that you will be getting. But if you want a custom domain of your store, then you will have to buy it from this option. Once you connect your domain, you're good to go. You will have your own store. Within our Shopify store, this is actually our admin. And here we have home. The orders that you will be getting can be found in the orders section, and orders can be received when you have bought a plan on Shopify. So if you're using a trial version of Shopify, then you will actually have to buy a plan first, then you will start receiving orders. In orders, we have drafts and abandoned checkouts. Then we have products, customers, analytics, marketing, and discount. Then we also have a Shopify app store that allows us to integrate different platforms, such as our dropshipping platforms as CJ Dropshipping or AliExpress, to our Shopify. We can also add our Facebook pixel to our Shopify store, so that we can sell products on Shopify and as well as on Facebook. Then let me actually take you to the settings. In settings, you need to go to store details, and here you will find everything. You will find your store name, industry, address, contact information, and your currency. So here I changed the currency to mine, but you can go with USD. Then we have standards and formats. Moving on, we have gift cards right here, shipping and delivery. Go to shipping and delivery, and you need to set up this option as well. In shipping, you will add a custom shipping rate. You can add different locations if it's going to be local delivery or a global delivery. Then we have local pickup, we have packages, shipping labels that we can add, some of the carriers that are available with Shopify, label format. So you can actually check out all of these options right here under shipping and delivery. Then we have payments. Now, setting up payment is also an important step on Shopify when you are creating your own store. So you can go ahead and set up a payment method. We have three ways. We have payment providers, supported payment methods, and manual payment method. So you can go to the choose a provider right here, and you can actually connect PayPal, AirPay, Stripe, any kind of payment method to your Shopify and start accepting payments, start receiving payments to these easy methods. Make sure the methods are easy, because if a customer is buying something from your store and they're looking for an easy payment method, and if you have it, then of course they will buy the product, and it's actually user friendly. All of these different third-party tools provide us credit card and debit card payments that are really user friendly, and then we also have crypto payments available on Shopify. Then we have billing plan. So if you want to buy a plan on Shopify, just go to the plans right here. It will show you the choose plan option. Click on it, and you will be able to buy a plan, start receiving orders, and you will simply start selling and get your business up and running. Similarly, we have some of the other options. We have domains here. Again, we have brand, customer event, notifications, files, languages, policies that you can check out right here in settings. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you guys, and now you know how to get started with Shopify, how to set up your store on shopify.com. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.